I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel. So today is a special treat. I am participating in a collaboration summer outdoor refresh today, and I will be going more into details about that later on in the video. So today I am going to show you guys how I took my daughter's twin bed and turned it into an outdoor day bed. Y'all, this project was so easy. I didn't even think it was going to be this easy, but it actually turned out to be one of the easiest projects that I've ever done. And it looked amazing. So definitely go ahead and watch all the way to the end. If you are new to my channel, hello, welcome. My name is Shushana. I do a lot of lifestyle videos, home decor, DIYs, and cleaning motivation. So if that's something that you are interested in seeing every week, go ahead and subscribe, hit that red button. It is always free. Make sure you also double tap that bell so that you don't miss an episode of whenever I do upload. So go ahead and let's get into this video.
Easy. So let your guard down, and I say.
So as you can see, I just added 4 corner brace to the bed, the headboard, and the footboard. And now I am going to go ahead and build the rails. Now I did not realize that one of the 2x4s, the right one, actually this one that I'm working on now, I did not realize that it had like a little bow in the middle. And so it kind of made it a little bit hard when I was putting on the brace, putting it on the brace for it to actually line up and be straight. But it worked out. Everything worked out. It was okay. It just gave me a little, hiccup, but I was able to get it done. Thank be to God. So here you see, if you can tell, you can see the difference between the left 2x4 and the right one. The right one sort of has like a little dip in the middle, but it was okay. It worked out fine. I actually ended up just putting 2 pieces of braces under each 2x4s, and it gave it a lot more structure and it made it a lot more sturdier. So I am super excited about it. So guys, like I said before, today I am participating in the Spring Outdoor Refresh, and it is hosted by Penny from atpennysplace and co-hosted by all the sophisticated ladies. My girl Tamara from Lovemybabiesforever, Robin from Table Talk with Robin, Kel from If It Ain't Cheap, I Ain't Buying It, and Tammy Thompson from Tammy Thompson tvmg. Go ahead and make sure that you subscribe to each of these ladies because they are remarkable in their own right. I will have all of their channels listed down in the description box, as well as the playlist where you can go ahead and add your video to the playlist. Now make sure you show them some love, you guys, and make sure you binge watch this playlist because it is going to be amazing, and it's going to be so much inspiration that you can draw from that can really help you with your patio, with your porch makeover. You know, you can do it on a dime, you could do it on a budget, or you can go all out, but it's going to be so much inspiration. So definitely make sure that you check the description box for all that information.
Your mind, trust that.
So as you can see now, I'm just going ahead and I'm just screwing in each slat on the bed rail itself. Now, I had so many pieces of scrap wood in my garage, and I was like, wood is at an all-time high right now. There's no way that I'm going to go out and just buy wood because I have so many pieces of scrap wood. So I was just going through my garage. I found a bunch of different woods and I just cut them down to size. I have a 2x4 on here. I have so many different sizes, but it worked out so nicely, and the mattress fits on the bed so nicely and even on the slats so nicely. So that's what I'm doing now, and I'm using wood screws and making sure that they are fitted in the joint of the wood and everything like that, so that everything is safe and secure, so that when we lay on the day bed that nobody is falling through the slats. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, y'all, I love this bed. I absolutely love this bed. I laid out on there yesterday. My daughter was laying on it yesterday. As you're going to see here, it is super relaxing. And just imagine laying out there on a beautiful 80-degree weather and have like a nice iced tea or lemonade, or some ginger beer if you're Jamaican, and just enjoying the day. It is super relaxing, and I'm going to take full advantage of this day bed in the summertime. So as you can see, yes, I am enjoying my little relaxation time that I have. Taking full advantage, you guys. Taking full advantage.
You can make it. You had great patience, but something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now, and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind.
Okay, guys, so in the next slide, you're going to see me just, decorated it and everything like that. But I just want to let you know that I am actually going to be ordering. This is what it looks like, all decorated and dressed up. I'm actually going to be redoing my entire patio, with the rug and, some new furniture and all these things. So this is not what my patio is going to be completely looking like. This is just the beginning part. So definitely stay tuned for that video, because it's going to be coming up very soon. You're going to see me redecorating, and it's kind of going to be like a clean and paint and decorate with me type of video. But I just wanted to show you guys what I did with the day bed, how I got it the way that it is. And these pillow coverings, I actually made them. If you remember, they were in my spring house tour, and the yellow and the turquoise pillows, I've had them for years, so I just wanted to go ahead and put them out. But I'm going to be ordering some waterproofing bed sets and pillow coverings and all the things for the outdoor day bed. And this table, I found it on the side of the road, believe it or not, and I just cleaned it up. And I have my cane chair that I thrifted as well from Facebook Marketplace. So make sure you guys go ahead, check the description box for the playlist and for all the ladies' channels, and make sure that you subscribe to all of their channels, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Trust